Hi, I'm Charles Doan, and in this video I shall welcome you with a tutorial on how to solve the three colored pieces of the four-dimensional Rubik's Cube. Yes, it's pretty much overdue. So, first of all, in this step there are going to be three different sub-steps. We're going to be solving all the three colors of this face. Then we're going to be solving all the three colors of this middle layer here, and then we're going to be solving all the three colors of this last face here. Alright, so let's begin. We begin by looking for a three colored piece that belongs in this face, that contains this color, red. We look for a red three colored piece. So I see one on this face here, it has red. Next, second step is to look at what two other colors does it have. What two other colors does this red three color piece have? I see it has maroon, and it also has light blue. And so, what do I do now? I have to rotate this face here in such a way where either maroon or light blue will be here, and either maroon or light blue shall be here. Maroon could be here, light blue could be here, or maroon could be here, and light blue here. Alright, so maroon's right here. I could just put him right here. Next, I see light blue's here. I can put him up here. Alright. Now, once we do that, we use our cycling macro, and we rotate him here, because our macro cycles these three pieces clockwise, so this piece will end up here. Alright, alt reference piece. And there we go. Now, we readjust everything. So we put everything back. Like this two color piece, we twist this face so that he's back. And this is a light blue two color piece. So we twist the face so that he's back. And make sure not to mess up the first one that you just did. Alright? Now, we have just solved the red, maroon, and light blue piece. So now, the next thing we do is that we rotate the cube in such a way where that piece that we just solved will be on this slot. So how do we do that? Easy. First, I can rotate the cube like this. So now blue's on top. And then, since our piece is right here, because it's red, maroon, light blue, I could just rotate it four-dimensionally. So it will go from here to here. Alright? So now our piece is right here. This slot. Now the next step is to check. Do we need to flip or twist it? This piece, this sticker is red, matches with red. Sticker is maroon, matches with the center maroon. Light blue matches with light blue. No, it does not need to flip or twist. Alright? Now we look for another three color piece containing red on this face. We'll move on to the ones on this middle slice later. So I've already found one. Three color piece has red. So I rotate the four-dimensional Rubik's Cube so that he's on this top slot here. Then, what two other colors does this piece have? I see has white, has orange, and so either white or orange can be here, and either white or orange can be here. So I see orange is already up here, so I can just move white right here. Now, I use our cycling algorithm to move him from here to here. Alright? So let's do that. And then we realign our pieces. So I see this guy is already aligned with orange. This is white, so I realign him with white. Now, we just solved the red, orange, white piece. And so we move that piece to this front slot. Like that. Then we check, do we need to flip or twist it? Red sticker matches with red. White sticker matches with white. Orange sticker matches with orange. And so as you can see, we don't really need to flip or twist it. But don't worry, there will come a time where we will need to. So now, we look for another 3-color piece containing red. So on this face, I can see there's another one. I rotate the cube so that it's here. Now it's here. What two other colors does it have? Blue, orange. I move this face. I move the face in such a way where either blue or orange shall be here, and either blue or orange shall be here. So I can see orange is already here, so I can just put blue up here. Alright? Then, cycling algorithm, Alt, reference piece to move him here. There. Then you realign these 2 colored pieces here. These pieces. So I can just move blue down here so he matches. For orange, I can just move it twice. Then he matches. Okay? Now, I just solved the red, blue, and orange colored piece. Red, blue, orange is right here. Right? Red, blue, orange. And now, red matches with red. Orange does not match with blue. And blue does not match with orange. And so what do we have here? These colors need to swap. We need to use our flipping algorithm. Okay? But our algorithm swaps these 2 pieces here. Swaps these stickers. It also swaps these stickers of this piece. And so how do we do this? Okay. We rotate the cube so that see, we just rotate it forward dimensionally so that it faces on the outside like this. And then we put an unsolved piece here. Like this piece is solved, we don't want to mess him up, we don't want to flip him. We move an unsolved piece here. Click on our flipping algorithm. Then Alt, reference piece. And there you go. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I forgot. So it seems like our flipping algorithm actually flips these 2 colors here of this piece and flips these 2 colors of this piece, opposite pieces. And so we actually place our piece here, make sure an unsolved piece is here, and then Alt, reference piece. There you go. Kinda forgot what it did. But anyway, now we place a red face back in front. And there. Now we look for another red 3-colored piece. So I found one here on this face. I rotate it, rotate the 4-dimensional Rubik's Cube that's in this front slot. So now it's here. What two other colors does it have? Maroon, white. And so maroon or white can be here, maroon or white can be here. Move white here, so I move maroon up here. Use the cycling algorithm to move them in. And then I put the two colors back. So make this color match with white, this color match back with maroon, which is outside. I just solved the red, maroon, white, 3-colored piece. So I move him so he can be up here. So first, I can move him 4-dimensionally, like that, and then I just rotate him up. Now he's here. Now, red matches with red, maroon not match here. As you can see, maroon and white need to swap. And so, I rotate it sideways like this, and then I rotate it 4-dimensionally. Alright? Then, I place our piece, our flipped piece here. I click on the flipping algorithm, and then Alt reference piece to flip them. And then we just put red back in front. Now, let's look for another red 3-colored piece on this face. I found one. As you can see, although red is not here, this 3-colored piece is still within this face, just that red is somewhere else. So first, I rotate the cube so that the piece will be in this slot. Just like that. Now what two other colors do we have? We have white and we have light blue. Basically the two colors other than red. So white, light blue. White and light blue can be here. White or light blue could be here. Light blue. Let's move it like that. Then click on cycling algorithm, Alt reference piece. And then I put these two colors back to where they belong. I just solved the red, light blue, and white piece, and so I rotate it so it's up here. Alright, so I can just rotate it and rotate it up. There we go, we have it right here. And so, as you can see, white matches with white, but red and blue, light blue, needs to be switched. And so, and since our flipping algorithm swaps these two colors, and so because of that, we just leave it like this, because it will swap these two colors. We do not need to rotate it 4-dimensionally. So, click on the flipping algorithm, Alt right click. There, we just flipped it. Next, we look for another red 3-colored piece on this face. I just found one. Rotate it so he's up here. Then, what two other colors other than red does he have? White, blue. I see blue is already here, so I can just move white up here. Cycle, realign the pieces. Next, I put the piece I just solved in this slot. Now, I check if he's correctly oriented. As you can see, blue and white need to swap. But since they're like here, these two pieces, these two colors need to swap, and not these two. I actually need to rotate 4-dimensionally. Okay? So now, you'll flip these two colors right here, and also these two colors, this piece. So, flipping algorithm, click on it, Alt right click, Alt click on the reference piece. There you go. Put red back in front. I found a 3-color piece with red on it. What 2 other colors? Orange, yellow. I can just put orange here, put yellow up here, and then the align. Next, I put him on top in the slot. Anything need to be flipped, twisted? No. Orange, orange, yellow matches with yellow, red matches with red. I look for another red one on this face. Move him up here. What 2 other colors? Maroon, orange. I can move orange up here, maroon here, cycle them in, realign. Next, I move the red, orange, maroon piece up front. Just like that. I see orange and maroon need to swap. But since they're vertical like this and not here, I need to rotate it 4-dimensionally. Alright? Now, hold your horses. Before we even flip anything, here's a problem. If we use our flipping algorithm and flip these, it's also going to flip these 2 colors of this piece. But this piece is solved. We don't want to flip anything. So how do we deal with it? See this unsolved piece here? It's unsolved. We move him up, and then we can flip it. Because this piece isn't even solved. We don't even care about him. This piece is solved. We do care about him. And so, move this unsolved piece here, and we flip him. And then, we undo that move that brought the unsolved piece up here, and we just put red back in front. Alright. I've found a red 3-colored piece. Here has maroon and yellow. Yellow's already here, so I can just put maroon here. Put him in. Realign. Put him in front, like on this slot that's highlighted here. Does it need to be flipped or twisted? Red, red, maroon, maroon, yellow, matches with yellow? No. Let's look for another red 3-color piece. I see that this piece here does. See? Now, although red is not on this face, this piece, which is on this face, contains red. Right? So it's a 3-color piece containing red. So I move him till he's like up on top here. Now, what 2 other colors does it have other than red? Light blue, yellow. So, light blue or yellow here, light blue or yellow. Cycle them in. Sorry, just like that. We realign. And then we put the piece we just solved, which is red, light blue, yellow, in this front slot here. So I should have said this earlier, but when you're moving the piece that you just solved into this front slot here, you basically move the centers so that they're here and here. Like red and like if we're putting, like let's say the red, maroon, and yellow piece up here, basically rotate the cube so that the yellow or maroon piece is like in these slots. This could be yellow or maroon, and this could be yellow or maroon. Just move the centers here, faces. Alright? So anyway, this piece, does yellow match with red? No. Does light blue match with yellow? No. Does red match with light blue? Obviously not. All three colors are incorrect. That means we need to twist them. So first, we rotate the four-dimensional Rubik's Cube that he's in this slot. Alright? And then, we click on our algorithm that will twist the single three-colored piece. Alt, reference piece. There. We apply the algorithm until he is correctly oriented. Might have to do it once, might have to do it twice, depending on whether it's disoriented clockwise or twisted counterclockwise. You just do it. Now, let's look for another red three-color piece within this face. So, I can't seem to find one in this face. So now, we look for one in this middle layer. That middle layer. So, let's search for one. So I can see none of these four are red. So I rotate the four-dimensional Rubik's Cube twice. Ooh, I see one that's red. So now, if you find one in the middle layer that has red, that has your front color, you rotate the four-dimensional Rubik's Cube that he's on the side here, the left side. Next, what two other colors other than red does it have? Blue, light blue. So, same thing. Blue or light blue here, blue or light blue here. And then, we apply the reverse of our algorithm, because our cycling algorithm cycles it clockwise, but we need counterclockwise that he can end up here. And so we do the reverse. So Alt right click. Alright, and then we just realign them. Okay. Next, now we need to put the piece we just solved, which is red, blue, and light blue, in this front slot. So we need to move either blue or light blue in this face, either blue or light blue on this face by rotating it. So I can just put blue in the front, and then light blue right on top. There, and we just have our piece right here. All three colors are incorrect, meaning it's twisted. And so we rotate it so it's to the right here. To the right here. And then click on our twisting algorithm. Alt, reference piece. Until it is correctly twisted. There you go. Now. Oh, I found a red three-colored piece right here. Let's just solve that guy. What two other colors? Blue, yellow? I can move blue here, yellow up here. Cycle. Realign. Next, we need to put our red, blue, yellow piece in this front slot. So either yellow or blue here, either yellow or blue here. Move blue here, and then yellow on top. Now, red belongs to red, blue matches with blue, yellow to yellow, and so we don't need to twist or flip it. As you can see, as you can see, we have solved all the three colors of our first face. Alright, I will make a separate video for solving the three colors of the middle slice, and a separate one for the last slice. Alright? Now, if you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comment section. This tutorial will probably be confusing as we progress on, as we step further away from the Rubik's Cube and further into the realm of the fourth dimension. Make sure to subscribe. Alright? See you in the next video. Thanks.